Yeah, how's going on, everyone? In this quick video, I'm just going to show you this video. This has been released from, I don't know if it was from Samsung or somebody took and stole this video. I don't have any idea, but this is the official Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus trailer video. So in this video, you have all the new information about the smartphones, like the camera specs, like that is a wireless charger, that is water resistant like it was always. So in this quick video you have all the information about that, so just watch it and please leave a like on this video. Please give this channel a chance, so subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more tech for dummy. If you need a help, even for a Android device or for an iPhone device, comment down below. I will try to make a video and help you in further. So thanks for watching. Here are the more information about the S9. Bye.